Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diah Mega, and today I will present about my final product, and the title is Promotional Video as a Promotional Media of Kriya Batik Barata Jember. I will tell you about the literature and the process of making video. And the first is batik. Batik is one of the traditional clothes that can be used in various events and has been known by foreign tourists. And according to Musman and Irene 2011, the derivation of the word batik, which is derived from two Javanese words, bat and tik. Bat in Javanese is ngembat or throwing many times, while tik means from a dot. Next is promotional media. According to Mahmoud 2012, media means of channeling the message or information that will be explained by the source of the message to the target or the recipient of the message. While according to Amalia et al. 2015, promotion is any forms of communication that used to inform, persuade, or to remind people about the product produced by an organization or individual. And according to Pratama 2013, stating that promotional media is a tool to communicate a product, service, image, company, or others to be better known to the wider community. So, it can be concluded that promotional media is a way for someone to introduce and offer a product they want to buy it. Promotional video. According to Permana 2012, promotional video is a video used to promoting something. The characteristic of a promotional video is to promoting something in detail with a longer duration than an advertisement. Because of the retrieval process, picture for promotional video must be done periodically from the object you want to promote. So, the results of promotional video more detailed and include all things related to the object. According to Nastiti and Ramdhani 2030, the benefits of promotional video are considered effective due to able to display not only the visual to see, but also visualizations of picture, voice, and movement. Writing script. The definition of writing script. Writing a good script into a video is very important. Writing a script is also a major step to make the storyline of a video. According to Dinar Widyanita 2009, expressed that script is a foundation that is needed to make a video and television programs in any forms and kinds of writing. According to Avegian Lucin 2013, there are 4 types of kinds of writing. There are expository writing, narrative writing, descriptive writing, and persuasive writing. And then translation. According to Newmark 19 and ICTI in Rahmawati 2016, translation is an express the meaning discourse into other language, such as the discourse that is intended by author. And the final project, the writer will translate the text that have been written from Bahasa Indonesia into an English. And then subtitling. According to RD 2013, subtitling is a text on a screen or the process of entering the text into a video or a film. Then subtitling is displayed by speech, picture, music, and sound effects. That's writing change from oral to being writing, while based on time appear at the same time. Next is data collecting method. According to Creswell 2008, the data collecting method is a way to get detailed information and to add new forms information during the study. There are 4 methods of data collection. First is observation. Observation is an activity to get more information, more detail, and clearly by directly go to that place. The second is interview. The interview is used as data collection techniques by researchers when researchers ask or more participants general. And the third is documentation. Documents consist of public and private records that qualitative researchers obtain about a site or participants in a study, and they can include newspaper, minutes of meeting, personal journals, and letters. And the last is audiovisual material. Audiovisual material consists of image or sounds that researchers collect to help them understand the central phenomenon under study. And the second part is the procedure of making a promotional video. There are some steps to make promotional video. According to Mariyati and Purnama 2013, there are 6 steps for making a promotional video. The first step is designing the ideas and making a concept. It starts from preparing to make the synopsis, writing script and storyboard, and revising the content of the script. In this step, the writer will make a concept of promotional video which will be in bilingual and cinematic. The video will consist of 3 parts. The first part is opening. Tell about the profile of Gria Batik Barata. The second part is content. Tell about the product, motifs, and the process of making a batik. And the third part is closing. It is tell about the addressee of Gria Batik Barata. After the writer making a script, the writer will consult by the owner and the supervisor. And then the video narrator is done by the writer herself. The second is shooting. Shooting is the process of taking picture technique or taking a short video of that place. In these steps, the writer decided into 3 parts. The first part is the opening of the video. The writer will tell the profile of Gria Batik Barata. And the second part, it will show the batik fabric and motif, shows kinds of the products and process of making a batik. And the last part of the video will show the address, contact person, and social media of Gria Batik Barata. The third step is capturing. Capturing is the process of moving the video recording from the camera to the editing process. In this step, the writer and the editor will transfer the video from the camera to the editing device. And the next is video editing process. Video editing process is a process of changing, adding, or cutting of some scenes and giving the different size or shoot for each scene, voice and background music. And this step, the process of selecting, adding or cutting of some scenes and putting the recorded voice and music background. In these steps, the writer asks the editor to do these steps. And the next is rendering. Rendering is a process of unifying the editing results into a whole unified video. In this process, the writer will render all the editing results to be whole unified video. And the last is burning disk. Burning disk is a process to copy or write information onto compact disc or a CD. And in these steps, the writer will burn the video into a compact disc or a CD. And I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.